The Gifford Fire spread more since the last videos I shared. I took these clips during sunrise on Saturday, August 9th, and as of the evening of August 9th, the fire had grown to over 120,000 acres. I've had a number of friends evacuate already. I'm sure many more people have had to evacuate. Lots of people wait apprehensively for the evacuation notice that can come at any time. The colors through the slowly billowing thick smoke this morning hung across a wide area. The sun shining through the clouds was mesmerizing. This was the first time I have smelled smoke during this fire. Northern San Luis Obispo County saw a significant amount of smoke push up that way. This burning beast roars loudly near the flames, yet seems silent from far away. Fire's speed, size, and direction can change quickly. It's better to follow extra caution and stay safely distant from any potential risky areas. Please join with me in continual prayer for the people, animals, and homes in the way of this massive fire.